Today, friends, we will talk about DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. It's a Kinji. It's a proverb, which means that the chance of your friend is not yours. Really, grossly, if you don't understand anything in what I said, this is what it means. Just that sentence. The chance of your friend is not yours. Retain that. DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. So let's go forward. It's a very interesting proverb, as all my proverbs are always interesting. And so yes, I do some research, and whenever with the proverb I understand the most, I will present to you. Then we talk about it. So DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. If your friend was successful, it doesn't mean that you're gonna be also successful. Your friend took a chance, a risk, and then slept. In this case, it's probably the friend sleeping outside, and then in the village, for instance, it's dangerous sleeping outside. Lion, there are all those different dangerous things, animals, and so on. And your friend succeed to sleep outside for some reason. Maybe he had to do that, and then you say to yourself, "Well, I'll sleep outside too." No. If your friend survived, he was lucky. That's what he said. Kinji is saying that DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. So the chance of your friend is not yours. If your friend got lucky, it does not mean automatically that you will be lucky too. Be careful. You may get in trouble if you attempt to do the same thing. So that happened in life. You can already apply many things, and that's why you have to be very careful. If the person succeed and pass through the danger, and make sure you think twice before you do it, because DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. Now, literally, we will say DIESE DYA MUKWENU, Kedilalwa Panja. It means the chance of your friend, it should not make you sleep outside. The chance of your friend, it should not make you sleep outside. That's literally trying to say everything as this proverb presented. The chance of your friend, it should not make you sleep outside. So there is a lot, I feel like there is a lot of understood there's an imagination in this sentence, that they say something and they add another thing, but you have to add some unknown information. So this proverb is very rich, and you have to know it to understand it. And let's go to the words. DIESE. DIESE means chance. DIESE means blessing. Why DIESE? Person who is blessed, the person who has a chance. And DYA belong, DYA point where it's the things belong, or of. DYA shows belonging. And MUKWENU, it's your friend. MUKWENU is called friend. MUKWENU is your friend. So Kedilalwa, it shouldn't make you sleep. It shouldn't make you sleep. It should not make you sleep. That's what I wrote, and that's what I believe is the meaning here. Panja, outside. Panja, it's outside. Naenda panja, I'm going outside. Panja. So we're done with the words. Let's go to verbs. The verbs in this Lukinji, in this proverb, it's only verb KULALA. I checked. I don't see other verb, and the first part is a DIESE DYA MUKWENU. I didn't really see a verb there, and the chance that belongs to a friend is not Kedilalwa Panja. It does not make you go to sleep outside. It shouldn't make you go to sleep outside. So KULALA, sleep. The verb KULALA is a verb to sleep. LALA, I sleep. WALALA, you sleep. WALALA, he or she sleep. She sleeps. TUALALA or TUALALA, we sleep. MUALALA or MUALALA or MUALALA, you sleep. And the last one, ABALALA, they sleep. So that's the end of the class today. Class went faster. I can see that we did just 5 minutes. I hope you understand. I believe you understand. My hope is for you to understand and practice. I could repeat it multiple times. I know it's registered if you are listening to this, and probably you're listening directly or you listen after I'm done. You can repeat it over and over and over and learn something. And over time, we all gonna learn and we'll be able to speak Kiluba fluently as we go and learning all those verbs. And you don't have to return the proverb, but at least you need to return the words. I bring the proverb just to give you more knowledge of the proverb in Kiluba, but the very important part is mostly the words and the verbs. So thank you for listening and God bless you. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, and we'll learn more and more and more proverbs. Every week I bring one proverb and we discuss about that and about it, and then we learn something about the verb, about the words, and we increase our understanding of Kiluba. God bless you. Bye. Shalapo.